usu wrong ngaloko. And there was nothing wrong ukuthi kena uyishilo wena usho into obekumele vele ukuthi uyisho, njengoba ngizekelisa ngezindaba or circumstances lapho kungukuthi kena abaqashi basenzisa umsebenzi o dangerous ngaphandle kokuthi kena sibe ne-equipment right for that job. Angeke awukwazi ukuthi kena uvele uthule, and more especially they are supervisors under management. I-management inoku-instructor ama-supervisors ukuthi kena awathathe i-team yenze umsebenzi othile, and lo msebenzi loyo kuthothi unobu-danger. That is endangering i-safety and health yalabo bantu labo abazobasebenza kuleyo ndawo leyo, and there are no protective measures that have been put in place. And niyakwazi lokho futhi ukuthi uma ngilimala laphayana angeke ngize ngithole lutho. Mina nje ngizoba yinto exhwalile eyohlala ekhaya, ngibulawe indlala, aqhashe omunye espacing sami. So kuyilungelo lakho ukuthi kena uma ubhekana nezimo ezifana nalezo nezinye eziningi, it's not just only that, kuningi kakhulu. Mina ngikhuluma ngezimo lapho uvuka uzizwa ukuthi ukini uyagula, awukho right. Bakutshela ukuthi kena awukwazi ukusubmita incwadi yaseclinic, abayi-accept bona incwadi yaseclinic, bafuna incwadi yaka doctor. Awungitshele ubani obudgethelela ukugula ukuthi kena angeke ngibudgethe ngoba ngizogula. Futhi ubani ozohlala ekhaya ahlalele ukufa angayi eclinic ngoba naki iclinic it is for free. Incwadi yakhona ngebaze bayivume emsebenzini. And according to my own opinion, nangendlela engibona ngayo ukuthi kena kungani ama-employers analowo mkhuba loyo enza njalo. It's because they are forcing us to come to work even when we are not feeling okay. Size sizosebenza because uma ngingezanga, which means I am absent. And if I am